One number is 3 times another. The sum of their reciprocals is 4/9. Find the number. So we have a word problem here, right? So the first thing we need to do is label our variables. So we know that one number is 3 times another number. So we can let x be equal to the smaller number. And we know that the other number is 3 times the smaller number. So we can say 3x is going to be the larger number. We also know that the sum of their reciprocals is 4/9. So we need to find the reciprocals for x and 3x. So the reciprocal for x is going to be 1 over x, right? Because the reciprocal of any number is 1 over that number. And similarly, the reciprocal for 3x is going to be 1 over 3x. So now that we found the reciprocals, we can write out the equation that we're trying to solve. So it says the sum of their reciprocals, so 1 over x plus 1 over 3x is 4 over 9. So this is the equation that we have to solve, and we have to solve it first by finding the LCD so that we can multiply both sides of the equation by it. So we want to find the LCD of each of the denominators. So we have x, 3x, and 9. So the LCD is going to be 9x, right? Because we want to find the smallest value that will cancel out each of these denominators. So 9 will cancel out this 9 and this 3, and the x's will cancel out these x's here. So let's multiply both sides of the equation by 9x. So what we get on the left side is, by distributing this 9x, for the first term it's going to be 9x over x, which is just going to give us 9. And for the second, it's going to be 9x over 3x. The x's are going to cancel out, and then 9/3 just gives us 3. And then on the right side of the equation, there's a 9 in the numerator and the denominator that cancel out, and what we're left with is just 4x. So 9 plus 3 is 12. So we have 12 is equal to 4x, and then we want to solve for x. So we divide both sides of the equation by 4, and we get that x is equal to 12 over 4, which is 3. But now going back, we wanted to find both the numbers, right? So we found x, which is the smaller number, and now to find the larger number, we need to find 3x, which is just 3 times 3, which is 9. So we found both the numbers, and we can say the numbers are 3 and 9.